Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Alex English Studio, the place where English becomes not just something you study, but something you actually use in real life. I'm your host, Alex.
And I'm Maya. If you've ever felt like I know English, but I don't sound natural when I speak, then this episode is exactly for you.
That's such an important point, Maya. Many learners reach a stage where they understand English very well. They can read, they can listen, but when they speak, something feels off.
Yes, sometimes it feels slow, sometimes it feels like I'm translating, and sometimes I feel like my sentences sound strange.
Exactly. And here's the truth. The problem is not your knowledge. The problem is how you are using the language. Today, we'll break that barrier. We'll help you move from correct but not natural English to simple, natural, real-life English. Before we begin, like this video, pin subscribe to Alex English Studio, turn on the notification bell,
And share this video with someone who says, I understand English, but I can't speak naturally.
Perfect. Let's begin with the most important question. Why does English sound unnatural for so many learners? Maya, imagine this situation. You want to say something simple like, I'm tired, but instead your brain does this. Think in your language, translate, check grammar, speak.
Yes, that's exactly what happens.
That process creates three problems. X, 1. It slows you down. You pause too much. X, 2. It creates unnatural sentences because languages don't match exactly. X, 3. It increases pressure. You feel nervous while speaking. Let's look at a real example. A learner might say, I am feeling a strong tiredness today. But natural English is simply, I'm really tired today.
That's so much shorter.
Exactly. Natural English is not complicated. It is simple, direct, and fast. Now let's understand how real conversations work. Native speakers don't speak like textbooks. They speak like this: short, fast, relaxed, and imperfect. For example, instead of, I am going to the supermarket because I need to buy groceries, they say, I'm going to the store. I need to grab some groceries.
That sounds more natural and casual.
Exactly. Also, natural English includes fillers and connectors, like, you know, I mean, actually, kind of. Example, I was like really tired, you know?
That sounds like real conversation.
Yes, and that's the goal. Don't aim to sound perfect. Aim to sound real. Here's a big shift. Stop learning words, start learning phrases.
What's the difference?
Words equal slow thinking. Phrases equal fast speaking. Example, instead of decision, learn make a decision, take a decision. It was a difficult decision. Let's try a mini exercise. I say a word, you say a phrase. Help.
Can you help me? I need help.
Perfect. That's how fluency is built. Now, let's make this practical. One of the most powerful techniques is shadowing.
That's repeating what we hear, right?
Exactly. Here's how. Listen to a sentence, repeat immediately. Copy tone, speed, rhythm. Example, I'll call you later. You, I'll call you later. Do it again, faster. This trains your brain to speak without thinking too much.
So it builds natural speaking automatically?
Exactly. Now we move to the most powerful habit, thinking in English.
This feels difficult at first.
Yes, but we start small. Instead of, what should I eat, think, what do I want to eat? Instead of, I am tired, think, I need rest. Mini exercise. Look around and think, I see a chair. My phone is on the table. It's a bit hot today.
This feels simple and doable.
Exactly. Fluency begins in your thoughts. Listening is not just hearing, it's learning patterns. When you listen, don't just understand. Notice how sentences start, how people respond, common phrases. Example, instead of yes, people say, yeah, of course, exactly, that's right,
So listening helps us copy real English.
exactly. Now let's build a simple daily routine. 5 minutes, think in English. 5 minutes, listen. 5 minutes, speak. 5 minutes, repeat. Shadowing.
That's just 20 minutes.
Yes, and it works. Consistency creates fluency. Let's summarize. To speak naturally, use simple English, learn phrases, practice shadowing, think in English, listen actively.
This feels much more practical now.
Exactly. Natural English is not learned, it is built through daily use. If this episode helped you, like, subscribe to Alex English Studio, and share it.
And comment, what makes your English sound unnatural?
Next episode, real-life English conversations explained. Until then, speak more, think in English, stay consistent.